Down here at the bottom, there are, it looks like four new things. And these look a little bit different than what we've seen so far. This is the assignment icon. This is the assessment icon, like quizzes and homework grades. But down here at the bottom, we've got three new icons that are, well, they're discussions. I ask you to do a little bit of thinking and writing about the first part of To Kill a Mockingbird, and the directions for your discussion within each of your classes is inside of this Part 1 discussion guide with video introduction. The video introduction is being made right now, and it'll appear somewhere inside here. For you, there's a little spot over here that tells you whether or not it's being graded. I think it says not applicable, or NA, because there's no grade associated with this particular section of the assignment. This is just explaining how to go about this discussion right here. And I'm going to read it. It says the following discussion activity is graded as class participation. So eventually there is a grade associated with it, just not for what you see in front of you right now, which is worth 15% of your overall grade. Below are the requirements for earning full participation. So here's how you will earn full participation right here. It's these two sections. Number one, and this discussion is going to come into two parts. So it says, 1, respond to 2 prompts without reading what others have written. And what that means is you are going to respond to 2 of the 1, 2, 3 prompts here. Now you'll be able to see what you wrote. You can go in and edit what you write, but you're going to respond to 2 of these 3 prompts without being able to see what other people have written until you're done, or you've submitted your responses. And that's important because you need to have your own thoughts in response to these 2 of these 3 prompts. So that's going to be the first part. So if today is, well, maybe you'll see this on Tuesday, and then you'll have all of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to respond to 2 of the prompts. You can see that it's been highlighted here. The 16th is the last time that you'll be able to respond to 2 of the prompts with your own original thinking. And then what will end up happening is we will, well, you can see that the due dates over here on the right hand side say Friday, October 16th. At that point I'll go in and I'll change the due date for part 2 of this discussion. And part 2 of the discussion includes then responding to 3 of your classmates' responses. So commenting on what your classmates have written. And there's a bunch of ways to go about it. You can agree with what they wrote. You can respectfully disagree with what they wrote. Or you might even be able to just somehow add to the discussion that they began with more specific examples. And that'll be due on the 21st. So here's what things are going to look like for you. I need to show you this down here. I'll let you read this on your own because I don't want this video to be too long, but I've also posted 2 images. They give you some ideas on how to agree with people or how to add on to a conversation. So this is a useful tool right here. It's right here at your disposal. And this other image will give you some ideas on how to respectfully disagree with someone. I mean, you can literally write, I respectfully disagree. Here's what I think. And then write what you think. Now, as far as the prompts go, here's the first one. It reads, The kids often call Atticus by his first name, but at times they also call him Sir. What do you make of that? What does it say about their relationship? Do they respect their father? What examples from the book support your stance? And here's where you would write your response. If this is one of the 2 prompts that you're going to respond to, you'll write here. You won't be able to see what anybody else has written, but you'll be able to write your own thoughts. So that's prompt 1. Prompt 2, it's pretty general, and it reads, which character or characters does Harper Lee mean for readers to admire? What specific behaviors have they displayed in the first part of the novel that make them worthy of our admiration? And again, here's where your response goes. And prompt 3 is really just the antonym or the opposite of prompt 2. It reads, which characters does Harper Lee mean for readers to disapprove of? What specific behaviors have they displayed in the first part of the novel that have stained their character or reputation in the eyes of readers? And again, there's a number of characters to choose from. So those are the 3 prompts. So again, you have until Friday, by the time you go to bed, to respond to 2 of these 3 prompts. And what's happening right now is, the way this is set up, is that you're being required to post before you can see other people's responses. And then after Friday, maybe on Saturday or Sunday or something, this will become unchecked, and then you can see what other people have written, and you can respond to them. So those are the 3 prompts that you need to respond to by Friday. The video you're seeing now will appear somewhere in this assignment guide. Don't forget that there are ways to agree with people and ways to respectfully disagree with people, and that the standards of grammar and capitalization and punctuation and the way that you conduct yourself in a civil and insightful way, those are all going to contribute to your class participation grade so far for English class. And that's worth 15% of your overall grade. If you have any questions or anything, you can post them here, and I will respond to you there. I think this video is long enough. If you have any questions, write to me. But by Friday, you need to respond to at least 2 of the prompts. That means typing them out. Good luck. Have fun with it.